Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually mine and make money from this Pi. So first of all, you would have to go to your Google Play Store and search for Pi, which is the Pi app. So when you search for the Pi app, you can see the app right here. So you're going to install the app. After installing the app, you simply go and search for the Pi browser as well, because these two apps, they work hand in hand. So this is the Pi browser. You're going to install this one as well. After installing the Pi browser, you're going to come back to your Pi. Then you open the Pi app. So after opening the Pi app, you're going to sign up using your phone number. And then when you're signing up, you're going to be asked for an invitation code. So I'm going to leave the invitation code on your screen. So the invitation code is going to be showing right here on your screen, Peter, and that's the invitation code you use to sign up to your Pi. So basically, when you sign up, you're going to verify your phone number, of which they'll send you a verification code. So you use to open the Pi. Before we continue, please, if you're new to this channel, just consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's continue. So as you can see, this is my Pi dashboard right here. So first of all, before you do anything, you're gonna click on these three bars. So you click on your profile, which is down here. Then you make sure that you verify all these things. You verify your phone number, your Facebook, and your email address. So as you can see here, this is your referral link, which you can use to refer people and mine more Pi. So you go back and then you can see down here where they wrote mainnet info. If you click on mainnet info, here you'll be able to view your verified and unverified balance together with your transferable balance. So you can see my unverified balance here is 5 point something Pi. Then transferable, which is the verified one, is 2.7 something Pi. So what does this mean? This unverified balance, they are the Pi that you mined with the help of your security circle or your referral team. So you can change this unverified to transferable when your friends or the people that are in your security team complete their KYC verification. So once they complete their KYC verification, all these will be transferred to your transferable balance, which you can withdraw. So you will now click on this mainnet checklist. You follow all these steps. So you download the Pi browser. After downloading it, you click on the next one. You create a Pi wallet, confirm your Pi wallet, commit lookup configuration, which is where you would paste your paraphrase. Then the next step, which is to submit your KYC. I'm going to be making subsequent videos to show you how you can do all this here in your Pi. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.